Blaine, that message is equal justice for all people. Now, this unity walk is going to go across the MLK bridge. We're actually standing at the end of it and head all the way into Fort Monroe, which is right, we're kind of in the middle of that march right now. Now, the Hampton NAACP encourages anyone and everyone to come out. This is their first year doing this event. So Gayleen Connorton, she's the president of Hampton's NAACP, said they stand in unity. 51 years ago, Martin Luther King Jr. was assassinated, but his dream lives on in the hearts and minds of anyone in our community who wants fairness and equality in society. Today at 10, a public display of that sentiment will gather at Hope and East Mercury Boulevard in Phoebus and will end at 1619 Fort Monroe. Now, that's the marker where the first enslaved Africans arrived in Hampton Roads. Even this route is meant to show the path we've taken as a society.
Please join us in the march. We want all the community to please come out. Diversity is key. We all live together, work together, and we do better together when we work together.
Now, again, this is the first year the group is organizing this march, but they hope to make it an annual event with a message that rings clear and true throughout the years. Now, if you want to attend the event, again, that meeting spot is over at Hope Street, and you can actually show up at around noon today. That's when everything kicks off. They're hoping it's over by around 2:30. Now, there is going to be some overflow parking in the Food Lion parking lot over there, and they encourage any church or large group that's coming to carpool or come in a bus or a van, just so that they have enough space for everyone. For now, we're live in Hampton. I'm Rachel Carden, News 3.